Okay, so I just uploaded my 11th video over here on YouTube. And then looking back at my first 10, I made a bunch of dumb mistakes. The one you don't really know you are making until way later. In the first 10, I didn't know what I was really doing. I'm still figuring that out. If you are just starting out like me, in this video, I'm going to show you everything I messed up so that you don't repeat the same stuff. Here are some things I wish someone told me earlier before I hit upload. First mistake, overthinking instead of just posting. I spent hours overthinking, just doubting myself, thinking about the background, my voice, the camera, instead of actually posting. So here's what I noticed. Your first videos aren't supposed to be perfect. They are supposed to teach you how to get better. I wasted so much time on small stuff instead of actually posting. But honestly, none of my early videos were better, and that's totally okay. The most important thing is to start. You get better by doing it instead of just waiting for the perfect moment. Second mistake, I didn't hook the viewer fast enough. In my early videos, I start with a long intro, and then I spent more time talking instead of just saying the right thing. And guess what? People end up leaving the first 30 seconds. Okay, so the thing is, I didn't understand why people leave early just watching the video. So I just watched my own video, and then I realized that I spent hours saying unnecessary things. Hey, what's up? My name is and blah blah blah, instead of just going straight to the video. The thing is, the viewers want to know right away why they should stick watching the video. So now I start with, hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you this and that. It's like watching a TV channel. When the first minute is boring, you end up switching channels. Okay, so third mistake, ugly and then confusing thumbnail. I just thought I can screenshot my video and then throw on some text. Okay, so I did that, and then it looked messy and then didn't catch the viewers' attention right away. Okay, so here's what I learned right now. So after watching some tutorial, I learned to make thumbnails that bright, that pops, and then that catches the viewers' attention. So it's just some few words and then some few tests. I make thumbnails that pop and then thumbnails that catches viewers' attention within the first few minutes. So 4, I just focus on finishing the video and then not keeping the viewer watching. But YouTube cares more about making your viewers stay longer. I just thought talking was enough, and then my videos were kinda plain and then slow. I didn't use images and then cuts and then other B-roll videos to keep the viewers hooked. Okay, so right now I realize people get bored easily. Like watching me talk like this, you get bored easily. So now I add cuts, highlights, and then images and other videos to keep the video interesting and then to catch your attention as well. 5, ignoring analytics. Okay, so when I started out, I didn't check my video analytics at all because I didn't know where to look. But later I found out about click-through rate and then watch time, and then this one helps me to figure my videos out. Okay, so when I say to figure my videos out, first, for example, I got to know that people sometimes they click on nice thumbnails and then nice titles, but they end up not watching the videos long enough. So I improved on that, and then I made the video more interesting. So mistake number 6, I didn't ask for engagement. When I started making videos, I felt it was weird to ask people for like, subscribe, and then comment. But the truth is, if you don't ask, they won't do it. The thing is, I thought asking people for like, subscribe, and then comment was a bit annoying and then pushy. But the thing is, if you don't ask, most people won't do it unless you ask. So now I add a quick little line like, subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. And this little thing makes a big difference. The last I want to talk about on my list is expecting instant success. When I first started making videos, I thought if my first video didn't blow up, I was doing something wrong. But YouTube isn't instant. I forgot it's a learning process. It's a long game. So I posted first, second, and then third. So when these videos weren't getting views, I thought I was failing. But YouTube is a growing process. It's like planting a seed. You need to keep watching it and be patient to get what you want. Okay, so these are the mistakes I made in my first 10, 11 videos I've posted so far. I want to know in the comment section which of these mistakes you are making, or which one of them you are gonna avoid in your next video. If you find this video helpful, let YouTube know it was worth watching. Give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.